Justin! I figured out a way to become popular. All you have to do is make a YouTube video. Let's make a YouTube video. So, first we need someone to be a cameraman.
You can be cameraman.
Sweet, and can I edit too?
Sure, you can edit the movie.
Yeah, and all you guys do is act. Ha ha!
Alright, let's get filming.
Ready, and action. Hey, Roy, what would you like to do today? Is it starting? What do you mean it's starting? Is it filming? Oh, wait, or is this practice, or are we actually filming? We're actually filming. Can you just make sure it's signed? It says recording. Right there. Oh, Shelly, alright, just get back in.
I would like to fight crime.
You wanna fight crime, eh?
Yes, I would like to fight.
Ow!
Tommy, what are you doing?
Sorry,
Tommy?
Stop it! Stop yelling!
Stop the camera, okay? Tommy, you knocked me down with that camera.
Sorry, this was the smallest camera I could find. Tommy, why don't you just let me film? Really? And I get to act?
Sure. Let's get filming.
Action. So, boy, what do you want to do today?
I want to fight crime.
I see a criminal.
Let us send it to jail. Criminals are bad.
Cut, cut, cut. Come on, guys, this video, it's not scary. You have to make it scary. Alright, let's get filming. Action. So, did you hear about that monster criminal?
Yes, let us capture it.
Yes, scariness.
Let us capture it with our scary stuff.
Like, you mean, like, machine guns and stuff?
Yes, not the other scary stuff.
That's good.
Dun dun dun.
Cut! Come on, guys, there's no, romance. You have to, you guys love each other in the movie, you know? Alright, let's get filming. Action. Roy, I love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
No, I love you more.
I love you times infinity, and you can't love me more.
Touché.
Okay, let's go and tell a criminal how much we love them.
Yes, let's go.
I love you. Cut! Come on, guys, there's no... It's not funny. You have to make it funny. This is a comedy, don't you know? Alright, take 5, 6 or something like that. Let's get filming. Action. So, Roy, did you hear about this criminal?
Yeah, he's there. Oh, sorry. Alright.
Tommy, what's your mind? I have a funny joke.
Let's hear it.
Lloyd?
Yeah?
You're not supposed to be talking. Oh, sorry. We can edit that out of film. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good. Here's my joke. Your mom.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
You're supposed to be filming, not laughing.
Sorry. Yes, let us capture this criminal. He's fat.
God, he's fat.
Oh my god.
Your mom. God. Come on, guys. You're not taking my old advice. This has to be scary and romantic and funny, but not all of them at once, because that's a little too scary. Alright, let's film now. Boy, I love you. Just hold on 1 second.
The criminals, they're coming to kill us.
Yeah, Mom. Cut. Yes, that is what I was looking for. Now let's post this on YouTube.